I'm going to use the appropriate tool to loosen up your pipe from your gas valve and your gas valve from your pipe. It's not a pipe wrench, it's a spud wrench. That lets you get on the corners of the gas valve, and you're not supposed to use a pipe wrench on that. Alright, we get ready to crack it a little bit. That's how to remove a gas valve. So you make sure you use a spud wrench. And now we'll remove the valve. Okay, we'll get that to the point where we have it loose. Then we'll take it off by hand. Okay, you can see the square area where that spud wrench would go. That's where you would attach onto that. And the same thing when you're installing it. You should use a spud wrench, not a pipe wrench. Next, we want to apply our Teflon tape or pipe dope. Either or. But usually on repairs, I'll wrap it with Teflon tape. Here's your valve. We'll twist it on my hand most of the way. We'll tighten it up slightly with the spud wrench. Okay, next we'll put the Teflon tape on our other pipe. This has a little old pipe thing on it, which will probably seal itself. Okay, now we're back to the pipe wrench and spud wrench. Next, we'll reattach the union. That's on the side here. A union is also a spud wrench, but sometimes you can't really get to it. So if you can use a pipe wrench on that, that's fine too. But it should be a spun wrench. A spun wrench gives you a nice even tightening on it. I'm using this a little backwards. Yeah, let's take that done. Okay. We'll put our fittings back together. We'll plug in our wires. There's a wire up top. The wire on the side, which I will get over there and get that in there good. Okay. We also have a hose we need to put in here, but I don't have to do that. Let me find one. Okay, I took this out of the old one and put it in the replacement. We have a hose to put on there. Okay, I think we're all hooked back up now. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. One click, pilot. Your igniter will make a pilot. Okay, there we have a startup. We get a second click and fire it up. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. One click pilot, two clicks. On the second click, your main valve should come on without an explosion. First click, and then the second click, everything's fired up, and we had no big explosion. Now we just want to watch the flames when the blower comes on, and if they're shooting back at us, we have a bad heat exchanger. Now our flames look good. They're shooting in nice and fine. And no explosions. I'm going to go ahead and put the sealed combustion cover back on. And then I'm going to try it one more time, make sure everything's okay. If it is, we're done. And that cures our exploding furnace problem. But I just wanted to make you aware that if your furnace is blowing up, and you really don't see that too often, but a smart valve can do it for you. It can blow you up. So just some information I'd like to pass on. Of course, having a smart valve, gas valves are kind of dumb, so having them control your furnace is probably not a good idea. Okay, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to fire it up one more time, and then I'm going to be done here.